Hey there, it's Albert Corey, the cash injection specialist. I have some incredible news to share with you all today. You know how much I love spreading positive motivation and inspiration. Well, get ready for something truly special. You see, I'm thrilled to announce an upcoming release for my new co authored book project, The Drive to Success, Volume 2. This book is filled with wisdom, strategy, and insights that will revolutionize your mindset and empower you to conquer any obstacles that throw your way. You see, it's not just a book, it's a guidebook to transform your life. And by the way, there's more. As a valued member of my incredible audience, I want to give you an exclusive first chance to reserve your copy. Yes, that's right. By leaving me a comment below, I'll be sending you exciting details your way. Get ready for an adventure that will reshape your perspective on success. I can't wait to share this transformationist journey with each and every one of you.